Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit Microsoft Word file in your Android phone. At first, just go to app screen. Here you can see in my phone MS Word app is already installed. You can find this MS Word on the Google Play Store and you can easily download it from here. Now just open up your file manager and then open up documents, and from here find any Word file. That's it. If you want to edit this Word file, just tap here and then select Word and then tap on always. Now from here, if you want to edit this file, at first you have to save a copy. Just tap on this arrow icon and then tap on save a copy. Then select any folder. Then tap on go to settings. Then allow permission and then go back. Then choose any folder. Then tap on save and it's done. Now if you want to edit your file, just tap on edit and here it is. Now the file is ready for edit, and you can customize or edit anything as you like. And that is how you can edit Microsoft Word file in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.